हेलो एवरीवन। बुक का आज पता नहीं कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है कि बेटे सेकंड। Shall we go? The right now we read a take time to reflect. The book of thinking straight. We live busy lives, and sometimes there's no time for thinking. When thinking is not a priority, priority, make it one. If you do not, you will end up like me few year ago. I did not reflect on anything between 2012 and 2050 result. All of a sudden, I felt overwhelmed and do not know to do to do with my life. I had a true internal crisis on my hands. Since I had no idea what to do, I started regretting more books. Sorry, reading more books, and I noticed that many smart and happy people kept journals. They are also reflect more on their lives, more more specifically they reflect on the thinking they learn, mistake they made, and the goal they achieve. When I start daily journeying, I began with writing my own autobiography. Is not meant for publication, it meant for reflection and learning. If you do not know what to do writing about, write your life story. I am sure you learn more about yourself with every paragraph you write. I journey, a journal, and more sure to read my note once a week. That's all I mean, when I talk about reflecting, I do it for three reasons. It helped me to uncover my mistakes so I can avoid them in future. It helped me to value my progress when I read my past achievement, to get my thought in order so I can second guess guess myself. That helped me to make better decision. In short, I journal and reflect because it useful. My money rule. One of my friend told me he hate his job. I also asked him why he did not. I asked him why he did not take any action. I need the money. He said. I automatically knew that he assumed that the only option for him is to quit. The reason is that we become to depend on something when we give it too much importance. There are simple solution to devalue the value of money. I live by these five rules. Money rule. Oh, मनी ये क्या लिखा है? हाँ, प्रैक्टिकल मनी रूल. डू नॉट बाय शिट यू डू नॉट नीड. सेव एट लास्ट 10% ऑफ योर इनकम एवरी मंथ. स्टे आउट ऑफ दी बेट डेथ सॉरी डेथ डेबिट डेथ 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 नहीं डेथ डेथ डेबिट डेथ डेथ डेथ. आई नेवर पता नहीं. आई इन्वेस्ट है शायद, पता नहीं क्या है. 1 मिनट. Invest your money in thing that have a. पता नहीं किस राइटिंग में लिखा है, डॉक्टरों की राइटिंग में लिखा है. और क्या लिखा है? डू नॉट बी पता नहीं, ये दो लास्ट लाइनें नहीं मुझे समझ लगी, पता नहीं क्या लिखा है ये। मनी के ऊपर दिखा है, दो तो समझ। तीन, स्टे आउट ऑफ डिबेट, मतलब कर्जे से बचो। इन्वेस्ट योर मनी इन थिंक हैव दैट हैव अ रीडम, पता नहीं रीजन, रीजन से होगा, रीजन। कुछ ऐसी चीज में इन्वेस्ट करो जो तुम्हारे काम आए, मे बी फ्यूचर में। डू नॉट बी सिंगलिंग, मतलब स्टिंगिंग, पता नहीं क्या लिखा है, छोड़ो। that I have that's what I have done for the past 3 years, and I have not had a single thought about money. Actually, that's not true. I still thinking about money every does, but as soon as I think I have enough money in my saving account, I stop thinking about money. No matter what's happened in, you have enough money to survive for a 6 month. You will figure it out. There's only one condition: invest in your skill. It's navy to think we will always be able to find a job or make money. It take effect, but since when is that a surprise? I just make sure I invest my money instead of spending it. Invest money is not only about investing in the stock marketing or in real estate. Not only about invest in stock marketing and in real estate. स्टेट, पता नहीं क्या था पहले, ठीक पड़ जाए, स्टेट पता नहीं, स्टेट आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम प्लेइंग थ्री grand for a new laptop, grand for a new laptop, because it's tool I used to be my job, and that make me money. Also, I am never cheap when it come to buying important thing. I'd rather buy a good jacket that last year, but then buy a cheap ones that I have to replace next year. Simple put, I do not buy things I do not need. I do not a new iPhone every year. I also do not need $5,000 shoes. But that does not mean I own only one pair of shoes. I simple do not buy everything I like. Buying stuff in excess is not practical because I do not have enough space. Plus, I like to train myself to resist thing to improve my self discipline. Sorry. Remember, money is a replaceable resource. When you are out of it, you can earn it back. You can say you can can't say the same for time. Do not spend too much time thinking about money. कितना टाइम, चलो एक पेज भी खत्म ही करते हैं. Do not try to think your way out of everything. This does not make sense at first sight. But when you think too hard, you often come up with bad ideas. That's because you cannot actively think your way out of everything. We have all had good ideas while taking a shower. That's because we are not actively thinking it. It's good to let your attention wander and stop thinking. This is also a part of controlling your mind. You have the ability to decide when you want to let go of your thought. Similar to relaxing your muscles when you lay on the couch after a tough day. You cannot let loose of your thoughts. You can do that in Kante, you cannot do that in a many different way. Some like to take a yoga class, other prefer to meditate every day. The medium does not matter. I have learned that there are many ways to relax. However, only one thing is critical. You do not need anything to relax, but yourself. You do not need a yoga exercise, meditation, must music, scent are whenever it is you think you need. Let's go of everything you can is ex ये क्या है? Escapes your outside world and go inside your mind to find peace. If you cannot do that right now, train yourself, because become aware of your thought, absorb them and let them go. That's whole process. You can do that anytime, any place. You do not need a different scenery or class to do this thing. Let go and relax and do it as often as you thinking it necessary. You will find that moment you are not thinking are just as important as the time you are active thinking. पता नहीं इसने बोला कैसा, उसका खा नहीं पिया वो। ये कह रहा है अपने ऑब्जॉर्व को थॉट को ऑब्जॉर्व करो, कैसे करो ये तो इसने बताया नहीं है कि बैठ जाओ कुर्सी पे, वैसे देखो। पता नहीं, मैंने पढ़ा है, मुझे कुछ कखा नहीं समझ लगा। चलो, थैंक यू, मीट यू टुमारो।